Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. In this one we will be discussing about MailBlaze, and this is an amazing platform if you are looking for an all-in-one AI platform. So to boost up and skyrocket your business, this is the best thing for you. Now before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can simply try out to get exclusive rewards and extended free trails on MailBlaze. So make sure to check that out. Now back to the video. Here, as you can see, currently we are inside a dashboard of MailBlaze, and this can help you to get your analytical and statistical view of your businesses much more clearly. You can see we have overviews, we have number of subscribers for our platform. Now currently I do not have added a platform, I'm just demonstrating you the platform and how it works. So this is a step-by-step guide on that. Now before we move on, you can see we have campaigns, and all of that is going to be represented in this graph. Below you have the amount of the numbers again. Now this is representing everything really nicely. You can also simply add your campaigns. Head over to your campaign section. You have your templates for your, if you are trying to do your email marketing, you can create your custom templates and custom tags. So you can see in the automations you have different features as well. For automation, you can add your automations in here. Click on create new. Once you do that, you will be directed towards your automation section. So just wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up. So here, as you can see, we can add our workflow name and choose our workflow type. So we have a list of drop down, and we can even configure the workflow. So everything is basically in here that you can try out for yourself. Now let's just head back and see what else it has to offer. Here you can see we have transactional, and this is basically another tool that you can use for the reporting of transaction, and all that stuff is visible in here. So yeah guys, make sure to check out MailBlaze, an amazing platform of course, and do not forget to head over to the link in the description to get exclusive rewards and extended free trail on MailBlaze. That's something you should not miss. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you like the video, leave a like, and also let us know in the comments below what else you want to see upcoming next on the channel. Take care and see you in the next video.